Your ice pack is labeled with the numbers 1 through 3 and has 3 correlating elastic straps that are also labeled 1 through 3. The widest part of the ice pack will go over the shoulder, close to the neck, with the hose going towards the elbow. The number 1 will correlate with the number 1 strap, wrapping underneath the uninvolved arm and attaching to the number 1 on the back. Number 3 correlates with the number 3 strap, wrapping underneath the involved arm and attaching to the number 3 on the back. The number 2 correlates with the number 2 strap, threading underneath the involved arm and attaching to the number 2 on the back.